Hey Crossropers, Crossrope Athlete Chad here, and I'm going to bring you another at-home workout. Today we're going to be using the recently re-released ultra heavy LE ropes. This comes with the 4-pound and the 5-pound rope, the ultra heavy LE handles, and this set is not for the beginner. This set is for the heavy rope enthusiast who has already used the 2-pound rope, the 3-pound rope, and has become proficient in that heavy rope form. So if that is you, then we can show you definitely how we can utilize these ropes to get a great strength training workout in. So with these heavy ropes, I really suggest shorter sets of jumping, 30 seconds or less, 50 jumps or less. We really don't need to go for an extended period of time to get a good workout in with these ropes. So here's how today's workout is going to work. 20 seconds of jumping, 20 seconds of rest. Then we're going to go 3 back-to-back-to-back bodyweight movements with no rest in 15-second increments. The first round of those are going to be squat jumps, and then squat hold, and then bodyweight squat. Then we'll go back to a 20-second rest period before we do 20 seconds of jumping and 20 seconds of rest again. And then we'll hit the same 15, 15, 15 increments, but this time with more upper body movements. This time it will be push-ups, plank shoulder taps, and then hand release push-ups. All 3 in a row, 15-second increments with that no rest, before we finally do get the 20 seconds of rest. And then we will jump one final time with that 4-pound rope. After that, we will rest for 60 seconds while we change ropes to that 5-pound rope, and we'll do the whole thing one more time. Should be a little bit tougher this time around as we hit the 5-pound rope. So let's go ahead and get this workout in the books here. If you got those ultra heavy LE set, it will be great. You can also do this workout with something like the 3 or the 2-pound rope, but it will feel a little bit easier in that shorter set of jumping, as we really are gearing this towards these ultra heavy LE ropes. I'll be jumping on my Crossrope LE oval mat, and let's get this workout started. Here we go, 10 seconds to start here. Get that power grip. And 3, 2, 1, 20 seconds. And 20 seconds can feel like such a long time with these heavy ropes here, but it's going to be a good workout. So we're going to go now with our back-to-back-to-back bodyweight movement, starting with squat jump in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Squat jumps. As soon as that timer hits, we're going to go right into squat hold. And let's hold it. Hold that squat. When that timer goes off, we're going to do bodyweight squats. 3, 2, 1. Bodyweight squats for 15 seconds. Really getting that leg activation in here. Feeling that burn. 3, and there we go, 20 seconds to rest. Grab that rope. We're going to jump again for 20 seconds. We got another 8 seconds to rest. Whew. 3, 2, 1. Let's jump. All right, there's our rest period. 20 seconds. We're going to go into that back-to-back-to-back upper body. So we're going to start out with push-ups for 15 seconds. We'll go to plank shoulder taps and then hand release push-ups. 3, 2, 1, push-ups. 15 seconds, full range of motion. Right into plank shoulder taps. Keep that core engaged. And then we'll go right into those hand release push-ups. And here we go. Hand release push-ups. And there's our 20 seconds to rest. All right, one more set of jumping with the 4-pound rope before we take our 1 minute rest period to change to the 5-pound rope. 4, 3, 2, 1, let's jump. And there's our period, 60 seconds. We're gonna change to that 5-pound rope. A little bit longer with these heavier ropes to make that handle change, but still nice and quick. We still have 35 seconds. All right, we're gonna go back to that 20 seconds of jumping, 5-pound rope this time. And we'll start out after that jump set with the leg movements. 15, 15, and 15. 15 more seconds. And we'll start the 5-pound rope round. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's jump. So much heavier. 1 pound makes a difference. All right, there is our first 20-second rest period. We're going to go into those 3 straight sets of 15 seconds on the legs, starting with squat jump. 4, 3, 2, 1, and squat jump. Try to get nice and high on the jump. And right into a squat hold. As soon as this timer goes off, we'll go right into bodyweight squats. 3, 2, 1. Bodyweight squats. Legs are burning. And there is our rest period. All right, pick up those rope. 5-pound rope jumping. We're going to jump in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Woo! 20-second rest. All right, push-ups, plank shoulder taps, and hand release push-ups. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice push-ups here. Plank shoulder taps, no rest. Keep that core engaged. And hand release push-ups. All right, 20 seconds to rest. We'll finish out this ultra heavy LE workout with 20 seconds of jumping with that 5-pound rope. Woo! 3, 2, 1, let's jump. Woo! There's the workout. All right, thanks for joining me. You can see I got my heart rate up above 160 beats per minute. Really only about an 8 or 9 minute workout. Whew, but it gets the blood pumping in a hurry. So hopefully you enjoyed that ultra heavy LE workout. Let us know how you did and how you liking those ropes. And we'll see you again next time for another at-home workout.